welcome back to Easy Nails. Today is the second week of the Halloween Spotlight Challenge. This week's theme is The Nightmare Before Christmas. And yeah, I'm going to be making an acrylic set today. I'm using all Zoeve products and acrylics and not polish monomer. So I'm going to be doing a Nightmare Before Christmas Halloween nail set, you guys. Again, this is a Halloween Spotlight Challenge collab with a bunch of lovely ladies here on YouTube and Instagram. If you guys haven't checked out last week's challenge, that was American Horror Stories, make sure you go check that one out. And yeah, each week we are going to be highlighting some lovely ladies in the collab here, and they are going to be our spotlight queens, and they're also the ones who chose the theme for the week. So I have these nail tips in my practice hand here. These are the extra long nail tips. I popped them in my practice hand. I didn't use glue or anything. These are just the extra long ones, and I find that they fit really well in the practice hand. Again, I got this one off of Amazon. I do have a video about it if anyone is interested. I'm using my Nail Supply Glamour brush here. This is a number 12, and I'm building up a French nail bed. I hope everybody is doing well, you guys. I will be posting this Spotlight Challenge every week in October on Saturdays, as well as the first Saturday in November. So I would love to hear your guys' thoughts. Let me know how much you love The Nightmare Before Christmas. I love it. It is so much fun to watch, and it's a great theme. So I'm continuing building up these French nails here, again using not polished monomer and Zoeve acrylics. So I'm building up a nice French nail bed here, and now I'm gonna chat about the Spotlight Queens. They created our theme for this week in the Halloween Spotlight Challenge, and our first Spotlight Queen is Naylee. I hope I'm saying her name right, but she is an amazing YouTuber here on YouTube, and she also has an Instagram. I will link all of her socials down below. I highly recommend you guys go and check her out. She is super talented, and I love all the designs she does. So she is one of the Spotlight Queens, and we have another one here on YouTube and Instagram. Let's hear it for Jennifer. She is awesome. She uses tons of polygel, and she has super beginner friendly nail art, beautiful nails. So I highly recommend you guys go check out both of our Spotlight Queens, show them some love, and let them know I sent you, and give them props for choosing this awesome theme of The Nightmare Before Halloween. Yeah, such a great theme for Halloween nails, The Nightmare Before Christmas. I keep on saying The Nightmare Before Halloween, but it's The Nightmare Before Christmas. We all know that. So I am going in with this beautiful lime yellow, and it has like lime yellow and green glitter bits, and they are matte, and it has a fluorescent yellow base, and I'm going to be doing a full nail of this on the middle finger. Here I'm going in with a beautiful orange color to fill out that French nail. Super cute Halloween vibes. And then I'm going to be doing the same thing. I'm going to fill out this French orange color on my ring finger, and then I'm going to be doing an abstract neon design on my pinky finger. So these are going to be neon acrylic nails. I hope you guys like them, and in the end we are going to adorn them with some really fun Halloween pumpkin stickers. So yep, I'm just going in here and filling out that ring finger with the orange. Again, these are all neon colors from Zoeve, and the monomer is not polished. So I'm going to let you guys watch. Alright, you guys, so I outlined the French nails with some Beetles black gel polish, and I did the same thing with the cutout design on the pinky. And then I'm taking these really cool nail decals that I got from AliExpress, and they're all Halloween themed. So I'm sticking this graveyard themed decal right in the French line, and then I'm going to be adding some scary pumpkin faces right on top of that. Super easy Halloween nail design, you guys. I hope you guys are making some super fun Halloween nail designs. I love Halloween. It's such a fun time of year, and you got to be really creative with your nail art. And you guys, make sure you check out the other ladies in our Halloween collab, because you never know when it's going to be their week to pick the theme. So again, this is going to be every Saturday in October. So I am using my tweezers and picking up some more fun Halloween decals here, and I'm just deciding on which nail I want to place what. Again, this is like a graveyard theme with pumpkins coming out of it, perfect for the Nightmare Before Christmas. So I'm going to be sticking these decals on the nails, and then I'm going to go over it all with Not Polish's Gloss It Top Coat and cure it in my lamp for 60 seconds. All right, you guys, that is it for the Nightmare Before Christmas Halloween Spotlight Challenge collab. Make sure to check out the Spotlight Queens, Jennifer and Naylee. I will link all of their information as well as all of the other lovely ladies down below. Make sure you go show them some love and support. And I hope you guys enjoyed this Halloween nail set. Let me know in the comments down below, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.